will review book Little Abid. I learned about time. Check it out until the end. Mana sapi?
Ada.
Hello guys, we will review the book I learned about time. In the first, this is my great book. My name is Noval. My picture in here. This is Noval. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ini ditutup.
No. Ibu mau baca dulu bukunya. Boleh?
Boleh.
Dengerin ibu baca.
Nggak tahu lagi.
Wake up, dear.
Ibu.
Mother wakes up bit slowly. Abid opened his eyes. He heard the call to prayer in the distance. It's subuh, whispered mother. Abid is awake and says the walking prayer. Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilaihin nusur. This is mother. This is Abid. That is subuh time. His father and older brother Hakim are ready to go to mosque. They are waiting for Abid in the living room. Muslim performs the subuh prayer every morning at about 5 a.m. That is why Abid must not wake up late. This is 6 o'clock. In the morning, everyone is busy. Abid and Hakim are getting ready to go to school. Father is getting ready for work. Meanwhile, mother is preparing breakfast. Bathing in the morning is refreshing, says Abid. It is now 6 o'clock in the morning. When the sun is directly overhead, Abid and his friend head to the mosque for Duhur prayer. Being in the mosque when the sun is at its hottest cool Abid down and make him calm. Abid and his friend like this very much. The Zuhur prayer is carried out at about 12 o'clock noon. Yes, that is 12. Abid and his friend go to mosque.